Hello everyone, today I want to show you the common mistake you will make if you use VS Code to push our local repository to GitHub. First step, find our project folder and then right click. Next step, click Show More Options. You will see Open Git Bash here. Click that. This is a Git terminal in Windows, which is similar as Linux system or Unix system. We type the command ls-al, which means list all of the files, including the hidden files in long format, which shows every details. And then we need to remove the hidden file.git first, because this file will cause 500 error if you use school computer. We use the command rm-rf, which means remove recursive force, which means remove all of the files recursively and forcefully. It will remove all of the file under this folder. Okay, done. Let's go back to our VS Code. You will see initialize repository, which is the same in our task 6 video. We need to open the terminal and type in the command, which is showed in our 11 DTP database task 6. It is called gitconfig user.name with your GitHub username. Your GitHub username is showed in your GitHub on the right top. Click that and copy. And then copy the gitconfig user.email. Put your email here. Then stage changes. Write some description about this change. And then commit, then publish the branch. It works. Sweet.